and welcome to PIC Aviation ATPL Nav Tutorial 2, and this follows on from our previous tutorial which looked at the change of latitudes. Here we're going to be looking at the change of longitudes. In particular, with this question we're going to find the change of longitude between 14 degrees 10 minutes east and 109 degrees 37 minutes west. Please note the notation where our longitude is displayed in a value less than 180 degrees. We leave it with a 0 to help us understand that it is a longitude and to prevent errors. The first step involves referring to the rules we listed for the previous changes of latitude. The first rule being that if the longitudes are in the same hemisphere, we are going to subtract and the second rule, if the longitudes are in the different hemispheres, then we will add. Noting these two rules, we then look at our values, our positions, to find that these two values for longitude are in different hemispheres. 14 degrees 10 minutes east being in the eastern hemisphere and 109 degrees 37 minutes west being in the western hemisphere. And because of that, and looking at our rules, they're in different hemispheres, we're going to add. We're going to use rule 2, if you please. Because of this, again I'd invite you to bring along your scientific calculator, preferably something like this, it would be easy for your ATPLs. And what we're going to do is we're going to plug in these two numbers using our DMS button, our degrees, minutes, seconds button, which is this button here. So I'm going to input it just as I've been shown in the exam question. So it's going to be 014, I'm going to press that for degrees, 10 for minutes, and then I'm going to add it, because of the second rule, to 109 degrees with the DMS button, and then 37 minutes with the degrees, minutes, seconds button, the same button there. Hit the return, the equal sign, we get 123 degrees 47. So we can essentially write this out, 014 degrees 10 minutes east plus 109 degrees 37 minutes west equals, and it equals 123 degrees 47 minutes. Is this a value we can have? Yes, because it's not bigger than the maximum value of longitude 180 degrees, it's 123 degrees 47 minutes, and therefore we are happy that this is the change of longitude between 14 degrees 10 minutes east and 109 degrees 37 degrees west. I do hope that this has helped, and next we will move on to look at some more GenNav